Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from northern Maine. Thanks a lot for joining me here today. If you're looking for a channel that all they want to do is teach you how to carve wooden spoons and carve wooden bowls, this is not the channel for you. I do not carve wooden spoons. I do not carve wooden bowls. I'm not knocking it. It's just I don't spend my time on that. But what I do is I go into in-depth winter survival, hypothermia, fire building at its worst conditions, building a fire straight out of a bucket of water, stuff like that. Now, if you're looking for bushcraft knowledge that's in that department, then I guarantee you won't be disappointed with this channel. Because like I said, I go into in-depth how to take care of yourself in the bush at all times of the year, not just in the summertime when it's all rosy and everything is warm and cuddly and cozy, or you're on a hiking trail that's all mapped out for you with paint on the trees and all of that stuff. This channel is about raw woods, being able to take care of yourself in raw woods or bush, whatever you want to call it. That's what this channel is about. So subscribe to the channel, come on in, check us out, and see what we're all about. I do not think that you will be disappointed. A gun without a bullet is nothing more than a paperweight. So I will see you in the next one. Throw me a bone, would you? Reach over and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and I will see you in the next one.